Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a velocity edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to get this video of a person dancing, and I'm also going to remove the background of the video as well. Maybe it's better if I use chroma key for this actually. Just going to adjust the intensity and kind of feather the edges a little bit. I know it's not flawless, but it's fine. You're going to go to AI stylize, go to style, select OK, and if you go to video effects, there's auto velocity, and you're just going to apply it to the video. And that is pretty much how you can do the velocity edit on your videos in CapCut PC. It's still processing a little bit, so I'm just going to wait here for a bit. And I'm also going to change the background color to like a pattern maybe. I don't know, it's up to you, like what you want to use for the background, of course. Let's use that. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.